What's going on, you guys? Dan here. Welcome back to the channel, and we'll do a little cold start on the GTI. Today we're gonna go to the parts store. I gotta pick up a few things for the Jetta, and we'll be taking the GTI. Why don't we go ahead and hop right in, give this thing a cold start. It's been a while. Get a nice cold start. Got the GTI started. It's just warming up a little bit. We'll let this thing warm up a couple minutes and then we'll head over to the parts store. What's going on, you guys? I already picked up the rad, dropped the GTI off at home and hopped in my truck. Now I'm just gonna drop off the pickup and hop in the Jetta. We got the Jetta right here. We'll go ahead. Fire up the Cadillac and move that thing out of the way, and then we'll get the good old Jetta out of here, bring this thing home. Yeah, we got the good old supercharged Cadillac. Let's give this thing a cold start. Got the Jetta here. Give this thing a nice good old cold start. Anyways, so what's going on with the Jetta is I did the stage 2 clutch, and then the previous owner didn't really take care of the trans. I think part of the synchro or gear, something broke off, a piece of metal, and locked me out of first gear. I'll give you guys an example here. Clutch in, and that's third. I can't get into first. I got reverse, but I can't get into first. I have second, I have third, fourth, and fifth. I just don't have. Just outside of Toronto. It's about a 2-hour and 45-minute drive. Picked up a new transmission, and that's what we're going to be doing today. And it's just a nightmare, and I'm just going to go ahead and replace it. I was going to take it to a transmission shop and just have them see what the hell's going on with it, take it apart, you know, because I'm hearing it's an easy fix. But we're just gonna go ahead here and just drop the trans, put another trans in, and call it a day. But yeah, we're gonna go ahead, we're gonna bring this thing home, move it out of the yard here and bring this thing home. And but yeah, if you guys are interested, I did pick up that Audi, and needs body work, you know, it needs a little thing. If you guys want to see a video on that thing, I'm more than down to buy the stuff it needs and restore it basically and make it mint again, you know. Other than that, this thing rips. Like, it drives good. You know, second gear takeoffs with a stage 2 clutch with a 10-pound flywheel, no problem, you know. Does a pretty good job. I cut the rear muffler off, so it's side pipe right now, but it is what it is.
It is what it is.
It is what it is. I'm gonna get that thing fully welded up and straight piped, and there you go. No first gear, straight second gear takeoffs. Just gotta creep it. Jeez. Brand new rad. Got this thing for a steal. Every local junkyard wanted about $75, $80 to $100 Canadian. I got this thing for $90 out the door with taxes. I think that's a steal for a brand new rad. I'm actually gonna go ahead and open this thing right now and show you guys. Where should I put this? Big staples. Look at that thing. Crazy. And yeah, now to undo those. I'm gonna leave the front mount bolted to the rad support. We're just gonna unbolt these little bolts here that hold the backside, and these right here, and pull everything forward and go from there. All right. Just cleaned out the coolant catcher. That's what I use only for coolant. Now we're gonna go ahead from back here, release the valve, drain the coolant, and then unbolt the rest of this stuff. What's going on, you guys? All right, here's an update. We've got the rad out with the fans, front mount, the condenser, all there still. Now to swap everything over to the new rad, put everything back in, and bolt it up. What's going on, you guys? We're back. We got the rad out, put the new rad in, got everything bolted up. Just got to put the headlights back in, the front mount intercooler piping there, all that funky good stuff. And then we have the bottom lower rad hose connector. I put it back on there, but it looks like the seal shrunk or seal's gone bad. Something happened to it. It's just leaking. It sits loose. It's not sitting tight. Definitely need a new seal in that. Had it happen before. That's it. Everything went pretty smooth. Got the old rad out. You can tell it was all rusted out, busted up. And yeah, so it's late. I think that's going to be the end of the video. If you guys like the video, comment down below what you guys want to see before I sell it. I'm thinking about selling it. If you're interested, DM me at Dan's Garage on Instagram and we can talk. You know, I want to give shout outs. I picked 3 people in the comments to give shout outs to. So drop your Instagram down below. In the next video, I'll shout you guys out. And as always, if you guys want to see more stuff, man, give it a like, subscribe, comment down below. Now I got another coolant leak. Fucking great. But we got it all fixed up. And I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out.